Video is interrupted. We will continue second online lectures on the same points. So it is having the high tensile strength and crease resistance. High tensile strength, it is the properties. It makes the polyesters more popular because it can bear the more and more weights, cannot be ruptured easily, cannot be break easily. That is the high tensile strength. Along with the crease resistance, means it is free from the sticky types of materials. So these are all about the points about the polyesters. Polyester structures also given here. It having the one of the polymer, it is polymer, that's why it is having the some repeating units, and that repeating units is the benzene ring. One terminal benzene rings attached with para positions to the linear chains. So benzene ring attached two terminals, both terminals are para to one another. One is the C double bond O, another one is C double bond O, means steric groups along with the CH2 that is ethylene group. So this is the main polymeric chains attached to the polyester chain. Next one is the what are the fastness properties which are required in the dyes. The light fastness property. When the dye when a dye or printed fabrics is expected to expose in the sunlight, when a dye or printed fabric is expected to expose in the sunlight, some portion of the light is absorbed by the dye's molecules. When the dye or printed fabric is expected to expose in the sunlight, some portion of the light is absorbed by the dye's molecules. The energy thus absorbed may bring about the self-destruction of the dye molecules. Energy that absorbed by may bring about the self-destruction of the dye molecules. So the fabric undergoes the fading, and the PF is called as the phototropisms. Next one is the washing fastness. Next one is the washing fastness. The dye must be possess good washing fastness. When the two or more fabrics are washed together, staining of one fabric with the dyes stripped from the other fabric will occur. Next one is the perspiration fastness. Human respirations can be acidic or alkaline. Dye must have the stability towards the acidic or basic condition of the sweat, which is called as fastness towards the perspirations. Next one is the perspiration means breathings, and skin breathing is the removal of acidic materials, that is sweat, gland secretions. That gland secretions sometimes it is acidic or basics. So this is acidic or basics secretions stick to the cloths, dyes, and that affect the, if it is not good types of dye, then it definitely affect that cloths and their dyes. It will be removed, it will be faint, make a faint. So all these things have to be considered while preparing the dyes. Heat fastness dye. Dyes which are applied at higher temperatures. The dyes which are applied at a higher temperature, like a reactive dye, which are used for the ceramic painting, should have the stability towards the higher temperatures, and property is called as fastness toward the heat. We are using these dyes for the ceramics, and ceramic material used to carry the hot materials like the tea, like the mm, eating materials, sauce, soups, all these things. So it must be bear the high temperature. It cannot be lose its properties. It cannot be mixed with the high temperature materials. So this property is given to the dyes, that is fastness toward the heat, that makes it the more and more precious. So these are all about the fastness, four different type of fastness: lighting fastness, washing fastness, perspiration fastness, and heat fastness. These all things are to be considered while making the dyes. It will make it more and more precious. So the friends, thank you, thank you very much. In the next lecture we will discuss the importance about the milestone in the developments. In the next lecture we will discuss all about this. So we will meet in the next lecture. Thank you very much.